4 years, the third jersey of Santos, the third official jersey of Santos, we're gonna have something related to the match, or Nigeria.
You do know that your country, Brazil, is a
Warning. Warning. Biohazard emergency in progress. Threat level, emergency advice, biosecurity attacked. Highly hazardous virus stolen. Evacuate immediately in areas, Cahabes, Andrinos, Cihastas, Furias, Miltilas, Pindroctos. Wear oxygen mask for safety. Stay indoors. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Check if you have a radio and a battery that has access to it. If radio is on, look for instructions at 531 kHz at the AM band. If you have a mobile with you, turn on data access and Wi-Fi. Information will be heard on your mobile. Do not make phone calls or SMS from now on. Your network will be needed to broadcast emergency information. Updates will continue via television as they become available. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately.